Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are all doing really well. Today I have quite an exciting video. I want to share with you something that I am currently enrolled in or currently doing, and I felt like it was really important for me to share this information with other people, and hopefully you'll find it useful. So today I'm going to be talking about how to buy ISAs, so stay tuned because I'm going to be talking about such useful tips throughout the video. Okay, so let's get into it. Alright, so I've got my notes down here as usual, so I'm going to be looking down a couple of times. But so what is the Help to Buy ISA? Generally what it is a government incentive, okay, which is targeted towards helping people to buy their first homes, whereby the government will give you a bonus of about 25% of the amount that you've saved in a help to buy ISA account to a maximum of £3,000. Alright, so most banks, credit unions, and building societies have help to buy ISA accounts. Alright, now the next question is who can get a help to buy ISA? Now, first of all, it has to be someone who's 16 and over. So the fact that it's 16 means people can start saving at a very young age, and this is really good. Next, you have to have a national insurance number. You have to be a resident in the UK, and you have to be a first-time buyer. So you have to have no other properties in the UK or anywhere else in the world. So just be aware of that. Okay, you can also get a help to buy ISA, apparently, if you want to buy land and then self-build a house that you will live in. But you won't be able to use the bonus for construction. Okay, now the house that you want to buy needs to be within the UK and valued up to 250,000. But if it's in the London borough, it can go up to 450,000. Alright, now this house will need to be the only house you'll own, and it will have to be the house that you live in. Alright, and finally, you need to then intend to buy that house using a mortgage. Okay, so if all of these apply to you and your future plans, then you're most likely, if not 100%, eligible for a help to buy ISA. If you want to apply and get one, so what you'll do is you'll just need to get to find a bank or a building society or a credit union that has a help to buy account. Okay, and what I'll do is I'll put a link in the description of those that offer this service, and you can have a look at it as well. Alright, so all you do is you make an application, and ideally if you already use the financial institution already, it will probably wouldn't even take very long. Alright, now how it works is that you can deposit a maximum of 1,200 in the first month. Okay, then thereafter you have to save a maximum of 200 every single month. Okay, so now you can save less than that, but what you need to be aware of is that, for example, if you save 140 this month, it doesn't mean next month you can save 260. Okay, it's a maximum of 200 every month. What I would actually advise, like what I do with my help to buy ISA, is that I have a direct debit. So I've got an amount that comes out of my current account each month into the help to buy ISA. So this works if you know how much you want to contribute to the help to buy ISA, and if it's the same amount every month, you can just do this so that you know it's happening in the background and you don't have to worry about it. All you need is 1,600 for you to get a bonus. So if you just save 1,600, which you can do in a couple of months, you can actually claim your bonus of 400. So this is really good. You don't have to wait years and years until you can claim. What you need to be aware of as well is you can't open an ISA, a help to buy ISA, on behalf of someone, and you can't have a joint help to buy ISA. Help to buy ISA accounts are individual accounts, so each person has to have their own help to buy ISA. Alright, now if you are planning to buy a property with someone else, like your partner or a friend or whatever, the amazing thing is that because you each have to have your own help to buy ISA, you can both claim on the government bonus, and you can each get the government bonus. So if you get to 12,000, which is usually the amount you need to get the maximum of 3,000 bonus, you'll each get 3,000, which is 6,000. 6,000. That's a lot of money, guys, just towards buying a new property, just because you were saving. Guys, that's a lot of money. Just remember, you can only have one Help to Buy ISA, so you can't decide to open one Help to Buy ISA with Barclays and then have another Help to Buy with HSBC or something. You can only have one Help to Buy ISA at any one time. If you are going to use this, you can use the Help to Buy ISA along with all the other government schemes. So for example, like the shared ownership and the Help to Buy equity loan. So you can use that along with those government schemes if you wish, but you don't have to. All right. And if you have, for example, Help to Buy ISA with Barclays, it doesn't mean you have to get a mortgage with Barclays. You can get a mortgage with any other financial institution that you wish. All right. Another great thing about these Help to Buy ISAs is that they earn interest on a yearly basis. And apparently that interest is usually better than the other cash ISAs. So yeah. And the thing is, when you claim your bonus, the bonus is calculated on the balance on the day that you close the account. So if your balance will include an interest component. So they will calculate the interest, they'll calculate the bonus, on the balance including interest, with, of course, just remembering that the maximum will still remain at 3,000. Now, you can withdraw your money anytime. So that makes it a very flexible savings account. All right. Now, you can also transfer your money between the different financial institutions. So if today you have it with this building society and you think, no, I want to put it with this bank, you can go ahead and do it. But what you need to note is, you can't, every time you transfer, you can't say, okay, because I'm starting with a new institution, that I can put in 1,200 again. No, you can only put in 1,200 once, and then no matter how many times you transfer, you'll still have a maximum of just 200 that you can deposit each month. Once you found your first home, so you've now reached that point where you're getting ready to claim. All right, you found your first home, the offer has been accepted, and you've finalized or you've sorted out your mortgage. What you then need to do is communicate with the bank, building society, or credit union and tell them that you're ready to close the account. This is very important because you need a closing statement. Guys, do not withdraw your money from there before you have a closing statement, because without the closing statement, you will not be able to claim the bonus. Okay, so once you've done that, you will appoint a solicitor or a conveyancer who is registered with the Help to Buy scheme. And then what they will do is, once you've given them the closing statement, they will then go ahead and claim the bonus for you. So you do not claim the bonus, but the conveyancer or solicitor does it on your behalf. Now, they will charge, but the maximum charge they are allowed is £50 plus VAT. So that's not too bad. Okay, after you've closed your account, you've got 12 months to claim that bonus. So just make sure that you claim the bonus towards the time that you know you're almost finalizing the sale, or the purchase rather. Now, there might be a situation whereby the sale doesn't go through. So what you'll simply need to do is have your solicitor conveyancer give you a document called a purchase failure notification. And that document is what you take to your bank or building society or credit union, and then they will reopen the ISA for you. In the event that the bonus was already transferred to the conveyancer or the solicitor, they will need to transfer that money back to the Help to Buy ISA scheme administrator. Something interesting is, I've come across a number of articles or videos where people have said that this bonus actually doesn't count towards your deposit for the home, but instead it will be used towards stuff like legal fees and the conveyancer fees and things like that. So do just find out, You know, speak to your financial institution, and just find out, because yeah, I think apparently it doesn't really go to your deposit, but either way it's still going to reduce your cost, whether you use it as your as part of your deposit or as part of the other costs in buying a property. It's still a win-win situation. The scheme closes on the 30th of November 2019, meaning that people, first time savers, won't be able to save anymore. But if you already started saving, you can continue saving up until the 30th of November 2019. 2029, sorry. Okay, but you need to claim the bonus before the 31st of December 2030. Okay, if you close your account in between this period, you can reopen it in the following, and you don't, by the way, you don't claim a bonus. You can then reopen it in the following tax year as long as it's before the dates I mentioned. Okay, now another great thing about this Help to Buy ISA is that if your personal circumstances change in the future, for example, your job contract changes, or you have to leave the country for a valid reason, the government understands, and so therefore you can rent out the property and you won't have to pay them back the bonus. Guys, in my opinion, I feel like a help to buy ISA is like a gift. Okay, honestly, this is perfect. I really encourage you guys to just set it up. You can easily just withdraw or close it whenever you want to. So I really feel like the advantage is all on you, and it's a great way to start your sort of dream of buying a new house. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and leave your comments, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.